If you think your car is already fully equipped, wait until you see these 10 cool car accessories you need in 2026. From stronger signal and safer driving to emergency tools, smart displays, EV charging solutions, and gadgets that make cleaning and maintaining your vehicle easier, this list is packed with practical upgrades that can make a big difference on the road. We'll take a look at everything from the weBoost signal booster and Tera pump to the CRKT exit emergency tool, Mojipic emoji car display, Dashcam, and more. So let's jump in and see which of these accessories deserves a spot in your car. Number 1. Road trips shouldn't mean losing signal the moment you leave town. Meet the weBoost Drive Reach, built for constant connection on the road. Reason 1. It delivers powerful signal boosting for weak coverage zones. Drop calls, lagging maps, and buffering videos become far less frustrating. Its FCC-approved performance gives you the strongest boost allowed. That means better voice calls, faster data, and steadier connections. Reason 2. It works with all major U.S. carriers: Verizon, AT, and T-Mobile, Dish, and US Cellular are all supported. Traveling across states or borders, it's ready for the journey. Cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, RVs, and big rigs all benefit. Reason 3. The setup is simple, fast, and tool-free. The magnetic roof antenna makes installation quick and convenient. The low-profile interior antenna keeps your cabin clean and neat. The booster itself is compact, rugged, and easy to mount. No subscription fees, no hidden hassle, just reliable signal support. That's a huge win for frequent travelers and remote workers. Need to stay productive on the move? This helps. Need dependable navigation in dead zones? This helps too. Need smoother streaming for passengers? You already know the answer. It's designed for real-world driving, not just showroom specs. Made in the USA, with trusted engineering and tested quality. Backed by expert U.S. base support when you need guidance. And yes, it's supported by a 2-year warranty. If weak signal slows you down, this is your upgrade. If road trips matter, staying connected matters even more. If your vehicle is your office, this belongs in it. So why keep fighting bad reception mile after mile? Bring home the weBoost Drive Reach and drive connected. Get yours now and make every trip stronger. Tap in, upgrade your signal, and stay connected everywhere. Number 2. Comparing fuel pumps. Watch what changes everything. Basic pumps spill, clog, and waste fuel. This 5th-gen Tera pump solves those problems. Old hoses crack. Upgraded vinyl stays tough. Standard adapters fit poorly on many gas cans. Built-in universal threading fits most North American cans. Cheap housings wear out under repeated use. Stronger metal impeller, housing boosts durability. Comfort matters during longer transfer jobs. The ergonomic handle feels easier and steadier. Regular pumps keep flowing until overflow happens. Auto-stop sensor prevents costly overfilling. Hear the beep when the container is full. That means less mess and less lost fuel. Many manual transfers demand heavy lifting. This pump saves your back with hands-free transfer. Move fuel from cans to boats or generators. Use it for ATVs, tractors, trucks, and cars. Slow pumps waste time during urgent refueling. Tera pump transfers up to 2.7 GPM. That's fast, efficient, and ready for bigger jobs. Need emergency power savings? It runs with 4 AA batteries. Even 2 batteries can work when necessary. It handles gas, diesel, E15, and E85. Also suitable for kerosene and non-potable water. 3.9-inch hose reach improves everyday access. The long discharge hose adds easier positioning. 20 years of manufacturing experience backs this design. Plus, you get a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Choose the pump built for speed and control. Choose less spilling, less lifting, and more confidence. Upgrade to Tera pump and transfer smarter. Order now and make refueling easier today. Number 3. Flat tire? Start the 10-minute roadside rescue challenge. 1 compact kit, 1 emergency. No time to waste. Meet Slime's all-in-one flat tire puncture repair kit. Inflator, sealant, accessories, instructions, and storage bag included. Green and black design, small enough to keep in any trunk. A puncture hits. The clock starts immediately. No spare tire, no jack, no problem, no tools, no wheel removal, no valve core removal. Just connect, activate, and get moving fast. Step 1. Attach the hose securely to the tire. Step 2. Power up the inflator and sealant system. Watch it work in only 12 minutes. Seal the puncture and fully inflate in one go. Built-in gauge helps you monitor pressure instantly. Simple push-button operation keeps it stress-free. Perfect for cars, highway vehicles, and more. Even sports balls get a quick refill with accessories. Punctures up to 1/4 inch, covered. TMPS, safe for modern tires and systems. Non-toxic and non-corrosive for tires and rims. Temporary repair, designed for emergency use only. Drive up to 3 days or 100 miles. Then visit a tire specialist for permanent repair. No roadside service wait. No towing nightmare. From flat to ready, the difference is huge. Before, stranded, stressed, and stuck on the shoulder. After, inflated, rolling, and back on the road. That's the kind of backup every driver needs. Fast, compact, reliable in unexpected emergencies. Keep slime in your trunk before the next flat. Be ready now. Grab your emergency tire repair kit. Number 4. Last winter, my car slid off-road in brutal traffic. My seatbelt jammed, and panic hit instantly. I kept thinking, what if seconds start disappearing now? Then I found this CRKT Excitool emergency tool. It looked tiny, but unbelievably serious and purpose-built. The seatbelt cutter grabbed me first, honestly. One quick pull, and it cuts fast. That hidden tungsten carbide glass breaker sealed the deal. It even stays clipped right on your seatbelt. So no scrambling, no searching, just instant access. The protective cover keeps it safe while stowed. That compact design feels smart, tough, and ready. Now I drive knowing help is always within reach. If emergencies strike tomorrow, will you be prepared? Grab the Excitool now before you ever need it. Number 5. Ever had a breakdown and felt totally exposed on the roadside? That's exactly when this magnetic LED emergency flare kit saves you. Reason 1. Instant visibility that helps drivers notice you fast. Bright red flashing lights cut through darkness and bad weather. With 360-degree warning coverage, your vehicle stands out immediately. Up to 1.5 miles of visibility gives real peace of mind. Reason 2. Setup is incredibly simple, even under stress. Just place the flares down and let them work. Strong magnets attach quickly to metal surfaces when needed. No fumbling, no confusion, no wasting precious emergency time. Reason 3. This kit is built for real-world toughness. Rainproof, shatterproof, and crush-proof materials handle harsh roadside conditions. Whether you drive a car, truck, boat, or motorcycle, this set is ready for almost any emergency scenario. You also get 9 flash modes for different situations. From single blink to SOS, you stay clearly signaled. The included flashlight adds extra support for night repairs. Use it for checking tires, engine trouble, or dark roads. Everything stores neatly in the premium carry bag. That means your safety gear stays organized and always ready. Drivers, travelers, campers, and boat owners can all benefit. It's compact enough to keep in your trunk every day and powerful enough to make a serious safety difference. Don't wait for an emergency to wish you had this. Get your magnetic LED road flare kit now. Be seen faster, stay safer, and handle breakdowns smarter. Protect yourself, your passengers, and everyone passing by. Tap to order today and upgrade your roadside safety. Because when trouble hits, visibility is everything. Stay prepared, stay visible, stay in control. Number 6. Want a display that instantly grabs every eye? Meet the Luxonic Pixel display screen. First reason. App control makes everything incredibly easy. Connect by Bluetooth, then customize right from your phone. No complicated setup, no frustrating learning curve. Second reason. The 32x32 pixel screen looks stunning. It delivers richer detail than smaller 16x16 displays, perfect for text, animations, emojis, and pixel art. Third reason, it adapts to almost any scene. Use it at home, in your room or office. Brighten your shop, bar, hotel, or gaming space. Even your car gets a fresh, personalized upgrade. Create scrolling messages that speak your style. Design custom images that show your personality. Make animations that move with real energy. It's more than decor, it's a creative statement. Set it on a table, cabinet, or flat surface. Or mount it securely with the suction cup holder. Glass, wall, windshield, it fits right in. The compact size makes placement simple and flexible, bright, colorful, and built for attention. Ideal for drivers, creators, merchants, and gift buyers. Great for safety messages, fun emojis, or branding. A smart screen that works hard and looks cool. If you want style and function, this delivers. If you want easy customization, this delivers. If you want a standout display, this delivers. Don't just decorate, make your space unforgettable. Tap in, create your own design, and shine. Get yours now and start turning heads today. Number 7. Meet the Excort Max 360C MKII, your smarter driving upgrade. Built for drivers who want confidence on every road. From highways to city streets, stay ahead of threats. Its upgraded dual antenna system expands detection range dramatically. That means earlier warnings and stronger protection overall. The Blackfin DSP chip processes signals with lightning speed, so you get fast, precise alerts when seconds matter. 360-degree directional arrows show exactly where threats are coming. Front, rear, left, or right, you know, instantly. This makes reacting faster and driving more confidently easier. Advanced filtering reduces false alerts from everyday traffic noise. CAS and BSM interference are filtered out more effectively. Less distraction means a quieter, more focused ride. Auto-Learn GPS intelligence remembers repeat routes automatically. It helps reject known false alerts from specific locations. That creates a more reliable experience every time you drive. Dual-band Wi-Fi keeps your detector constantly connected. Update firmware over the air, without any hassle. Bluetooth and the Drive Smarter app add smart control. Receive shared alerts from drivers nationwide in real time. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto bring alerts to your display. See updates clearly while keeping your focus on the road. This is detection-only engineering, built for dependable awareness. No gimmicks, just precision performance and proven protection. The compact black design mounts cleanly and discreetly. Included accessories make installation simple and travel-ready. Firmware improvements further enhance response, filtering, and arrow transitions. Every detail is designed to improve real-world driving confidence. You get more range, fewer false alerts, and smarter alerts. Upgrade your drive with Excort Max 360C MKII today. Number 8. Ever had your EV charge slower than expected? Or found the wrong charger when you really needed one? That mismatch can turn a simple stop into stress. This is where the VIPTOU Tesla to J1772 adapter helps. It converts Tesla charging power for J1772 EVs. Supports stable Level 2 AC charging up to 60A and handles up to 250V for reliable performance. Great for home garages, public stations, and road trips. It works with Tesla mobile connectors too. Also compatible with wall connectors and destination chargers. So charging feels flexible wherever you park. The dual-lock design makes plugging in feel secure. Once connected, it stays firmly in place. No wobble, no loose fit, just steady charging. It's independently tested to applicable UL 2252 requirements. That adds confidence every time you plug in. Built for outdoor use with IP65 waterproof protection. Rain, splashes, snow, and dust are no problem. It's also ready for extreme temperatures, from freezing winters to hot summer days. The compact size makes it easy to carry. At just 0.9 pounds, it fits neatly in your car. Grab it for commuting, travel, or emergency charging. The sleek black design looks sturdy and professional, and the ergonomic shape makes handling simple. If you drive a J1772 EV, this is a smart upgrade. Fast, secure, and ready for everyday charging. Just connect, lock, and keep moving with confidence. VIP2 makes Tesla to J1772 charging easier. Check compatibility and make your charging setup more convenient. Number 9. A family road trip begins with laughter and bright morning light. Every mile matters when your loved ones are riding beside you. The Rove R24K keeps those memories beautifully preserved. Its 4K Ultra HD recording captures every smile, detail, and turn. With an 8MP Sony sensor, clarity feels effortlessly alive. Even at night, the road stays clear and reassuring. Super night vision helps low-light moments appear safer and brighter. The wide 150-degree view watches over more of the journey, so precious moments on the road feel less easily missed. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 makes sharing life's moments wonderfully simple. Open the app, preview instantly, and download with ease. Your favorite clips move quickly to your smartphone. Then share them with family, friends, or insurance anytime. GPS quietly records your route, speed, and driving story. When questions arise, the truth is already there. View detailed maps and footage through the Rove app. Free firmware updates keep the camera growing with you. Its supercapacitor adds dependable strength in heat and cold. That means steadier protection for your everyday drives. Parking mode watches over your car even when you're away. Motion detection and G-sensor lock important moments automatically. Loop recording keeps everything running smoothly day after day. A compact design fits beautifully into any vehicle interior. From commuters to parents, every driver deserves peace of mind. And every journey deserves to be remembered clearly. Rove also stands behind you with a 1-year warranty. Friendly USA-based support is ready when you need help, because real care should feel as dependable as the camera. Choose confidence for the road and comfort for your heart. Rove R24K, protecting your drive, preserving what matters most. Number 10. Tired of scrubbing under your car by hand? Driveways, patios, and wheel wells take forever, and ordinary sprayers still leave dirt hiding below. One tool handles the mess faster. Meet the Emoji 2 in one pressure washer attachment. It works as an undercarriage cleaner and water broom. Switch modes easily with the pivoting coupler. Adjust the nozzles up or down in seconds, so you clean deeper without changing tools. 4 stainless nozzles deliver strong, even pressure. Built for hot or cold water use, handles up to 4,000 pounds per square inches for serious cleaning. Use it under vehicles, on decks, and sidewalks. It also blasts away grime from poolside edges. The wide 16-inch design covers more ground quickly. Less back and forth. Less wasted time. You get 3 extension wands for flexibility. One 45-degree curved wand reaches tight spots. 2 straight wands handle different cleaning angles. Quick connect fittings make setup fast and easy. A large wash mitt is included for body cleaning. Great for wheels, panels, windows, and detailing. Before, cleaning meant bending, switching, and missing dirt. After, one attachment does the hard work. Chassis rinsed, surfaces cleared, time saved. It feels solid in hand and built to last. A smart upgrade for home use or gifting. Get cleaner results with less effort every wash. Emoji makes heavy cleaning feel surprisingly simple. Order yours now and clean smarter, not harder. And that wraps up our list of 10 cool car accessories you need in 2026. Whether your priority is safety, convenience, connectivity, emergency preparedness, or simply adding some smart technology to your daily drive, these gadgets offer plenty of ways to upgrade your vehicle. From the emergency road warning kit and flat tire repair tools, to the Dashcam and Tesla J1772 adapter, there's something here for almost every type of driver. If you found this list useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more automotive gear and Amazon finds, and let us know in the comments which accessory you'd want to add to your car first.